Eric here, Director of Content for The Points Guy. Here's the thing. I like taking trips, but I don't always like to plan, which is why Capital One Travel is my go-to. It has all the tools I need to travel smarter. What I like best is their price prediction tech for flights. I can set up price alerts, see when the best fares are, and it even tells me if I should hold off because prices might drop further. And if you book your flight when Capital One Travel recommends, you get free price drop protection. They'll keep an eye on the price for 10 days, and if it drops, they'll give you a credit for the difference, up to $50. I also have the option of freezing the price if I'm not quite ready to book yet, but I don't want to lose out on the deal. I love me a good color-coded calendar. Oh, and when I use my Venture X card, I earn 5 miles per dollar on flights booked through Capital One Travel. That was easy and rewarding. I also love that I can book a luxury stay through the new Premier Collection from Capital One Travel. Venture X cardholders like me enjoy benefits on every stay, like a $100 experience credit to use on food and drink, spa services, and more. Also included with every stay is a daily breakfast for 2 and complimentary Wi-Fi. And based on availability, you can get room upgrades, late checkout, and early check-in. Plus, all the hotels and resorts in the collection are hand-picked for their uniqueness. Ooh, the Ned Nomad. I've been meaning to check this one out. I love historic hotels, and this one just opened in the Johnston building. It dates to 1903 and has plenty of interesting architectural elements like original mosaic floors, some 1920s glam and mid-century mod decor thrown in. The rooms look like something out of an Oscar Wilde play. And for hotels, I earn 10 miles per dollar when I book through Capital One Travel using my Venture X card. Not bad, right? And we haven't even left yet. Come on, let's go. I love the VIP treatment I get along the way, thanks to a stop at the Capital One Lounge at Dallas Fort Worth.
Hello, Mr. Rosen, and welcome to the Capital One Lounge.
Thank you. This is the first Capital One Lounge location, but there are more planned for Washington Dulles and Denver International Airport. With my Venture X card, I get unlimited access for myself and 2 free guests whenever I'm passing through. But even Venture card holders get 2 complimentary visits per year. It's the perfect place for your very own movie-style montage. Order yourself a craft cocktail. You can go ham on the chef-inspired dishes featuring regional cuisine. Whew! And get a workout in. Then freshen up, and even recharge if you need a nap. And best of all, there's a whole grab-and-go section with gourmet snacks that you can take along on your next flight. Sure beats airplane food. What? They're really good. Thank you, bye.
Thanks for popping in.
Ooh, thank you.
Mr. Rosen, welcome to the Ned Nomad.
Thank you.
Thank you for booking through the Premier Collection from Capital One Travel. It looks like we have some availability tonight, so you've been given an upgraded room.
Fantastic, thank you. And can I get late checkout tomorrow?
Yep, looks like we can accommodate that as well. Breakfast for 2 is included in your stay. Would you need any assistance with your luggage?
That would be lovely,
Of
thank
course.
you. Oh. It's all these little added benefits you get from booking through the Premier Collection that give it that VIP touch. Cicconi's is one of my favorite haunts back in West Hollywood. They make Venetian-style small bites called cicchetti, and they have a fantastic Italian wine list perfect for pairing. And I can use my $100 experience credit towards dinner there. Hey!
Hey, how's it going?
Welcome.
Thank you.
Hello, welcome to Cicconi's.
Thank you.
What can I get for you?
I'm going to do the Branzino. Is there a wine that you recommend with that?
The Pinot Grigio.
Oh, that sounds perfect.
And then I will have the cavatelli with lamb ragu, please. It's good, it's got a little kick to it.
Does it?
Yeah.
I mean, actually, this is really impressive.
Ooh la la. Do you have any interest in going to Paris next week?
May we?
My favorite hotel there, the Hotel Lutetia, is now part of the Premier Collection too.
Let's
All right,
go.
Let's book it.
Awesome. To Paris we go.